think about GoSchool, we all know that with changing times, the way education is delivered must change. Time has come for us to reimagine education for the 21st century. We need a transformation of our education system, which is currently designed around a school, into a system designed around a child. We have to get learners off an assembly line model, in which they are expected to learn in the same way and at the same pace, where time is the constant and learning is the variable. Why should it matter that it takes Shubham 5 weeks to learn fraction and Shubha 5 days? Shouldn't the point be that they learn fractions? Under 20th century rules, all education was built around averages, since it was not possible to deliver individualized instruction to masses of children. But with the advent of technology, that is no longer the case. We had the insight to look beyond the system that judges the merits of children based on their ability to conform to it. We strongly believe children are custom made. It is time we recognize the urgent need to customize their education, and hence the GoSchool.